Hello. Today I'm going to explore some of the Excel functions to find the statistics that we are interested in for this class. In this video, I'm going to look at a data set that has an even number of items here. So I've got 12 different data values here, and in another video I'll have an odd number and we'll compare slight differences between the two. So for starters, I'm going to find the mean. In Excel, it's called average. There are several other averages. We're not interested in them. So type it in with the parentheses, highlight your data, close parentheses, enter. I'm going to find the mode. Now there are several mode commands in here. If there is not a mode or there's only one mode, then it doesn't matter which one you choose. I'm going to choose the single one because the data set on the right has multiple modes, and I'm going to show you how to do that just in case. So this error message is just letting us know that there's not a mode in here. The median is called median. And our standard deviation, put the equals. You see there are several of these. We're interested in the second one, the .s. That's for sample. We're not interested in any of the other ones. And there we go. Now, in order to find the 5-number summary, the way that we want you to do it at Wake Tech is we're going to sort the data. Now I know you're curious and you're going to explore and find there are quartile commands. They do not get you the correct answer for this class. I'll leave you to explore them and show that they're different. Use this data set. Okay, so I highlighted my data and I'm going to click the data tab at the top and then I'm going to sort it and I'm going to go small to large. Now the minimum we can visually inspect and see that it's their minimum. There is a minimum command which does not require sorting. It's kind of redundant now that we have sorted it. The maximum, similar, we don't have to use the command because we can visually inspect it and see it, but I can use the maximum command. Again, it doesn't require sorting to do the minimum or the maximum. The second quartile, you'll notice my little pop-up here. It says it's called the 50th percentile or the median. Well, we've already calculated that, and we didn't sort it when we did it the first time. So you don't have to sort to find the second quartile. But the way that we're going to find the first and third quartile is we're actually going to take the median of the lower half or the upper half. So for the first quartile, also called the 25th percentile, what we're going to do is just to highlight it, I'm going to put a border around it. And similarly for the upper one, you don't have to put these borders if you don't want to, but just to emphasize what we're going to choose for these quartiles. So the first quartile is the median of the lower half of the data. And for these, you do have to sort them first. If you do not sort them before you do this, you will get the wrong answer. And similarly for the third quartile, that's the median of the upper half of the data. As such, you got it. So let's take a quick look at finding multiple modes. Now you can sort this and you can count. There's nothing wrong with that, but there is a fancy command in Excel that I just wanted to share to do that. And in order to use it, we have to highlight all of the cells here. I don't know how many different modes there are because I'm not going to look. So I highlighted all of these, and now I'm going to hit the equal sign, and it starts typing in the first cell. And I'm going to go to mode, and I want the multiple mode. That's the first one here. So I'm going to double click it. I'm going to highlight the cells. Do not hit enter. I'm going to close parentheses, and the way we're going to make this do magic, hold the control key down, hold the shift key down at the same time, hit the enter key, and watch the beauty. Look at that. So it told us that there are 3 different modes. One occurs the same number of times as the 2 and the 3. And because I highlighted all the cells, it's telling me there are no other modes beyond 1, 2, and 3. There you go. There's our statistics and our 5-number summary. And if you have multiple modes, you know what to do now. Thanks for watching.